This EPPIC tutorial will cover post-processing visualization using EPPIC. To display scalar results on an item, select it from the simulation's item list, or by clicking on it. Then, click on the Choose Scalar Item icon. From the menu, select the scalar from the variable list, and click OK. To modify a scalar's color map, select the scalar item, then click on the color map icon and select Color Map dialog. In the pop-up window, adjust the color scheme and range value. Click on the Legend tab and tick the Show Legend tick box to add a legend to the display. Use the panel to modify the legend. To use the same color map on all items of the same type, click on the Unify icon. To apply a threshold to a scalar, select the scalar item, then check the box in the Threshold toolbar. Select the scalar to set a threshold using the Select Scalar icon, and use the slider to adjust threshold boundaries. To display a variable by contours, select the variable item, then set its display method as a contour using the drop-down menu. In this example, we create a surface above the model and change its display mode to contour as shown. You can adjust the number of contours from the color map dialog.